Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're diving into Stash, found at https://www.stash.com. Stash is a platform designed to make investing accessible, even if you're just starting out. They offer fractional shares, meaning you can invest in small pieces of larger stocks, opening up opportunities to invest in companies you might not otherwise be able to afford. This makes building a diversified portfolio much easier, regardless of your budget. Beyond fractional shares, Stash provides educational resources and personalized advice to help you make informed investment decisions. Their user-friendly interface guides you through the process, simplifying complex financial concepts. They also offer various investment themes, like clean and green or social impact, allowing you to align your investments with your personal values. Stash also offers retirement accounts, including traditional and Roth IRAs, which are crucial for long-term financial planning. They even provide custodial accounts, enabling you to invest for your children's future. This feature can be a great way to introduce younger generations to the world of finance and build a strong foundation for their financial well-being. While Stash provides a convenient and accessible entry point into investing, it's essential to understand the fee structure. They offer different subscription tiers, each with varying costs and features. Be sure to research and choose the tier that best suits your needs and investment goals. Comparing these tiers against other investment platforms is highly recommended to ensure you're getting the best value. Finally, it's important to remember that all investments carry some level of risk. Stash provides tools and information to help you assess and manage that risk, but it's crucial to do your own research and understand the potential downsides before making any investment decisions. Never invest more than you can afford to lose.